True form. Sustainable health. Natural body. Calories. Explained. Why food beats. Exercise for body transformation. Trying to lose weight. Or build muscle. Most people go straight to hitting the gym. But here's the thing. Food actually matters more than workouts. In the next few minutes, I'll show you why calories, not hours in the gym, really decide how your body changes. When you want to change your body, it can feel confusing, right? Should you sign up for the gym? Or try some trendy diet, like low-carb, fasting, or keto? The truth is, there's one simple thing you need to focus on first. 1. So, what's a calorie anyway? A calorie is just energy. Your body needs it to stay alive, like breathing and keeping your heart beating, and to move around every day. 2. Why calorie balance matters so much. If you eat more calories than you burn, you'll gain weight. If you eat fewer, you'll lose weight. And if it's equal, your weight stays the same. Simple, but powerful. Every single diet works because of this rule. 3. Why exercise alone isn't enough. Burning 500 calories with exercise takes about an hour of hard cardio. But skipping one soda, that's 150 calories saved in seconds. You just can't out-train a bad diet. It's way easier and way more effective to fix what you eat. 4. First step you should take. Start by tracking what you eat for 1 week. Use an app like MyFitnessPal or Chronometer. It's super easy and gives you a baseline. From there, you just tweak up or down based on your goal. Calories are the foundation of every body transformation. Get your food right first, then add smart exercise. In the next video, I'll show you how to figure out exactly how many calories you need. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. And finally, take control of your body. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and start building a healthy, sustainable body with us.